A TxDOT representative said Interstate 10 East will definitely not open today, February 5th, as crews make pavement repairs. Here is what happened. A City of Houston water main collapsed Wednesday afternoon and the pavement gave way near the left shoulder between Federal Road and Normandy Street. City crews have capped the leak and pumped out the water, and now TxDOT is rebuilding the roadway. The problem, however, is time. Crews have to fill the hole with rock and dirt, pour concrete, and then wait for it to cure before it is safe to drive on. Some reports say the closure could last until Monday. If you're headed east, plan extra time and take alternate routes like Texas 225, US 90, or Business 90.